What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Billy Bob, the Farm Phillip YouTube channel. First of all, I want to give the guy his praise first, but next, I want to thank y'all for the support y'all showing for the channel. And on today's video, it's Thursday, June the 12th, and we got a 5085E tractor right here that we finna service. So I gotta get all my oil and hydraulic filters and all this stuff laid out. So I'm gonna grab all this stuff and get everything laid out, and we'll pick that video back up here shortly. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, here we go. So that's what we got. We got everything laid out, and got all my tools and everything that I need. I'm gonna put myself on a timer just to see how long it's gonna take me to change the oil in it, throw the air filters, batteries, and all this. Do it for what I normally do every day when I service one. I got one little problem. I got everything in my box that I need but my oil filter. So that's gonna throw me a little behind, but I'm gonna just see how long it take me to get this done. So y'all enjoy these time lapse. We finna get ready to roll. So it's 3:08. So I'm gonna give myself say 3:09. We're gonna get started. And so from that time forward, I'm gonna flip this camera around so y'all see the time on the clock. And when I get done, we'll do the same thing. So y'all stay tuned, enjoy, and we finna roll. All right, so we're rolling pretty good. We got air filters, housing, all that stuff blowed out. We got the tire pressures and all that stuff checked. So the next thing we gotta do, we finna put the air filters in. We already got the engine air filter put in, so we're rolling pretty good. I'm not gonna tell you how time, but we're rolling pretty good. So y'all stay tuned, we're gonna keep on rolling, and we see y'all on the next part. Got everything done out there. Got the oil change, oil filter, hydraulic filter, fuel filter, the engine air filter, the outside air conditioning filter. Now we're inside the cab fixing to change the inside air conditioning filter. The only thing we have left to do is put hydraulic oil back in the hydraulic reservoir. When we lost a little bit of hydraulic oil when we pulled that filter out the housing. Also, we're gonna check the air pressure in the tire. So we pretty much got this thing wrapped up. So after I put these air conditioning filters in, I'm gonna crank it up, let it run, check the oil in it, and also I got to grease the front end loader. After we get that done, we'll be done with the tractor 100%. And after we get done, I'll give you a 360 on everything we've done to this tractor. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll be right back. All right, everybody, we still rolling along pretty good. Got my Milwaukee grease on right here. Got it set on 15 shots of grease per trigger. And, we're gonna keep on moving. Just about got this thing wrapped up, so just giving y'all a little update. All right, we got everything greased up. I got one more thing I'm gonna do. I almost forgot. I gotta check the oil level in these hubs right here on the axle, also on the four-wheel drive trunk, and that'll be it. I always like to do that just to clear my conscience, but also, even though the tractor's not showing any leaks up front, it's not wet around the wheel seal or anything like that, I still like to check. I changed the difference of oil in this tractor probably 3 years ago. So the next oil change, it'll be time for it again to be 1,200 hours on it. On the difference of oil change, we'll do it then. So y'all stay tuned. Flip the camera around real quick and show y'all the trick I like to do. I like to take a hammer and a punch, and I like to shock my oil plug so it make it easy to come out. So, take a punch and just tap it. Just by doing that make it so much easier to come out. The thing be just tight over a period of time because it heats up and get like a vacuum on it. So just by vibrating it makes it break loose. All still good and clean, so y'all stay tuned. We'll keep on moving, go to the other side, cut this camera off, and we'll give y'all 360 of the tractor when we finish. Everybody, that's a wrap. Customer friend wanted to use the tractor, so he's backing out now. I'm gonna close these toolbox down, but hey, there you go. In and out. So I'm gonna go around here. When I close this final toolbox down, and get everything put up, we'll go ahead and look at the watch. Got the time on the phone, and we'll know exactly how long it took to get this done. So just remember, we started, it was 9 minutes after 3. And guess what?